Guys, Justin TDC here, and I'm gonna show you how to make an instant pork chop maker. First, you wanna need this, and then you wanna need a bucket of lava, and then glass, and of course chest, a spawner, and a pig. Okay, put 2 large chests, and then get the hopper, put it like this, you can expand this even much bigger. It depends on what size do you want, so it's on your own. Should look like this. Should look like this, and then make it higher a little. Make it higher. Okay, and then put a spawner, then the lava. It goes the lava part. Fill this up with lava. Yes. And the chests are burning, so we're gonna need some rock, I guess. Yes, we need a rock like that. Like that. Yes. Like that. Then you put this big spawner and watch what happens. You should get a cooked pork chop when a pig spawns. Look at that. And then, oh, the chest. It should be like that. To others like that. To make the chest open. See? The pork chop is going to the chest. Look. Then here. Yes. So there you have it. Instant pork chop maker. Peace out.